Good morning, class 10. Welcome all of you in this math day. Today we are in chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression. In short, we know this is known as AP. Number of progressions you will learn in higher class: AP, GB, geometric progression, HP, harmonic progressions. But now we will concentrate on this AP, arithmetic progression. So now I give you some introduction. What is AP? In our daily life, we see many things have some specific pattern. For example, petals of flowers, you can see there will be some pattern. Corns of maize cob, maize में देखे होंगे आप, उसमें कुछ पैटर्न, कॉर्न जो है कुछ पैटर्न में है, many things. So we can find some patterns in many things around us. So far as maths is concerned, I would like to explain this AP by giving some examples. You can see here we have some numbers listed. Total we have 7. Now we will see, you can understand what is AP with the given examples. You will listen carefully. First you see the list of numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash. If I ask you, can you write the next number? You can say, yes sir, 5, 6, very simple. So this list of numbers have some specific patterns. So now you see in number 2, 5, 10, 15. Now come once again in number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash means many numbers can be written, uncountable. So this, sir, what is the specific things in this list? We see the next number is obtained by adding 1 to the previous numbers. Suppose you have to write the fifth term, these are called terms, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, dash, 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 dash. और लास्ट में हम पढ़ेंगे nth term. हिंदी में बोलते हैं 10वां, 12वां, तो इंग्लिश में nth term जनरल में बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में 10th, 9th. So we see in example 1, the next number can be obtained by adding 1 to the previous number. 4 plus 1, 5, you can see. 5 plus 1, 6, like this. So it is very simple. We know this is in a pattern, a specific pattern. Now you see number 2. 5, 10, 15, dash, dash. Can you write the next number? So if you want to write the next number, you can find out what is the pattern, what rule is followed in the sequence. So now you see first term is 5, next term 5 plus 5, 10. Next time 10 plus 5. So we observe in this example number 2, each term is obtained by adding a fixed number, by adding 5 to the previous numbers. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25, like this. So this also holds a specific rule of sequence, of pattern. And now you can see the numbers of this list can be obtained by adding a fixed number 5. Now you see number 3, 10, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, dash dash. Number increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. And this number decreases by 10. Minus 10, minus 10, minus 20, minus 20, minus 10, minus 30, like this. So this also possesses a special sequence. Now you see, so in this number 1, they have some pattern, sequence, number 2, number 3. Now you see example number 4. These are the list of numbers. Although we can write the next numbers. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, dash. What will be the next number? You can observe here, these are the squares of all natural numbers, starting from 1. Square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5, square of 6, square of 7, like this. So this list of the numbers have also some specific patterns, sequence. Now you see 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2. If I ask you whether this list of the numbers possesses any sequence, yes. Each number is obtained by half, 1 by 2. Half plus half, 1. 1 plus half, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus half, 2. So this also holds a pattern. And now you see 3, 5, 9, 10, dash. Now these numbers don't have any specific pattern. Because you see, this is added, this is obtained by adding 3 to the previous, 9 is obtained by adding 4 to the previous number 5, 10 is obtained by adding 1 to the previous. So no any specific rule is followed here. And number last, 1, 8, 27, 64, dash. If I ask you, what will be the next number? So, if you observe very carefully, these are the cubes of all the natural numbers starting from 1. Cube of 1, cube of 2, cube of 3, cube of 4, and next number you can write here. Cube of 5, cube of 6, like this. Now, question is, what did you learn from these examples? Important point that is to be understood. That's number 1, 2, 3, and 5, and these 4 examples, we see in these examples, each number is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding numbers, and these are called in AP. इसको बोलते हैं AP में है. These are in AP because the pattern follows a specific rule. The numbers can be obtained by adding some fixed number to the previous numbers. So 1, 2, 3 and 5, this follows a specific rule. The numbers obtained by adding or subtracting to the previous numbers, and so they are called in AP. What about 5? 5 also showed a specific pattern. These are the squares of all the natural numbers starting from 1. Now, what is the difference between this and this 5, these 4? Sir, the important point here, the number is neither increasing or decreasing. Neither increasing or decreasing by a fixed number. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7 like this. So, not a fixed number. Although this also, this is a pattern, a sequence, but still they are not in it. What is that? Curing. Why they are not in it? Because AP is the list of numbers which increases or decreases by a fixed number. And these numbers in example 4, they don't follow that rule, and therefore these numbers are not in it. Now you see number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. You see 6. 6, the numbers of this list does not have any particular pattern, does not possess any rule, and therefore these are not in AP. These number are, I cannot say what will be the next number. If you write 1, if you write 2, so no rule. And if there is no rule, it is not possible to write the next term of numbers. So therefore, these numbers are not in AP. And this is just like question number 4. Although these numbers have some specific pattern, sequence, cubes of all the natural numbers starting from 1, but still they are not in it. Because the numbers, they neither increase or decrease by any definite fixed number. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 19, 27 like this. So there is no any specific number. So these are not in AP. So AP में आपने क्या सीखा कि if the numbers, list of numbers, if we are in position to write the next number, and then we can say the numbers are in AP. So the fixed number by which the numbers of the list increase or decrease, that is called common difference. इसको बोलते हैं common difference. Common difference. Common difference. The common difference is the fixed number by which a number of the list and number of the group increase or decrease by that number. And that number is, if I ask you what is the common difference in number 1, you can say 1. Because 1 is the fixed number by which we observe numbers are increasing. What is the common difference here? 5. Because 5 is the fixed number by which the numbers, the terms increase. And here also, this is called common difference. Common difference may be positive, may be negative, may be 0. If I ask you 5, 5, 5, 5, that's. Now, my question is, are these numbers in 80? Your answer, yes, they are also in 80. If I ask you why, because the numbers of these list, each number increases or decreases by 0. So 0 is the fixed number. 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 minus 0, 5, 5 minus 0, 5. This means common difference is 0. So this is also in it. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि you must have understood what is the meaning of it. I repeat, the list of numbers which follow some sequence in which each number increase or decrease by a fixed number. The numbers are called init, otherwise known. And the fixed number by which each number is decreasing or increasing, that is called common difference. My dear students, so this is the explanation of 80 common difference. And now you see, like first number is A1 for general term, and second term A2, A3 like this. And if there is only dot dot, this means this is infinite. There is not any last term. And if I write like this, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is finite AC. Finite means the last number we are in position to find out, and here we don't know. But we can find. We will learn in the exercise how will you find the 10th term, 20th term, nth term. Now finite and infinite. Infinite is the 80 in which there is no last number. We don't know what is the last number. And finite means we know the first term and last term. And for 80, we should know first term and we should know common difference. D is the symbol used for explanation of common difference. So my dear, this is the introduction, and next time we will come to the questions. So you will watch next time, and till then you will understand, you can find out what are the problems. And that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.